In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can mute a video easily using Canva. So I have this stock video that shows a car, actually not a car, a street with a lot of cars and some motorcycles. And this video has some noise and it's not a very welcoming one. Have a listen. Alright, that's pretty much a city vibe during the rush hour. So I want to remove the audio from this video, and here's how you can do that. First of all, you have to click the video. You have to select the video. You can actually select multiple videos and apply the audio setting. You can definitely do that, but for now I'm going to select one video. And in order to remove the audio, or at least make it inaudible, then you can click the audio option. And here you have two options. You can either use the instant mute button, which instantly will reduce the volume to 0, or you can also just play around with the slider and you can set it to whatever level that you find is comfortable for the audience or the viewers of the video. And of course you can set it to 0, which actually just muting the whole audio. So if I set the audio to be 0, you won't listen anything. It's just silent. There is nothing in this video that is audible. As you can see, there is no audio whatsoever, only picture. And maybe you can use a different audio to fill the gap, or you can use a narration for this clip. Whatever it is, I hope you find this tutorial to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.